it's Jillian, and I have a sensorial game for you. This is a nature mystery bag. You'll need a little satchel, a bag of some kind, perhaps you use a pillowcase, and you'll need about 10 items that you can find in your yard or in a walk around your neighborhood. They should all be different. I'll show you what I have. I have a long blade of grass, a piece of bark, a dandelion, a miner's lettuce leaf and flower, a Douglas fir branch, lichen, moss, a maple blossom, a very smooth stick, and a Douglas fir pine cone. I put them all in the bag, and now I'm ready to play. This is a game for your hands, not your eyes. So I'm going to stick my hands in the bag and not peek at all. When I find something, I'll describe it, and then I'll guess what it is before I peek. This is a piece that's long and rough. I can feel many layers. It's dry. It's bark. Yep, it is. It's the bark. Ooh, now I found a long, smooth cylinder. It's rough on the ends, and it's very dry. I feel one bump. I think it's the smooth stick. Yep, it's the smooth stick. Ooh, now I'm feeling something that's in the shape of a cylinder, but it's pokey. Long, thin pieces are sticking out from the middle. It's the Douglas fir branch. Yep. One more, and then it's your turn to play. Ooh, I've got something that's very soft. There's a little moisture, but it's mostly dry. It's spongy. So when I push it, it bounces back. Feels like it might make a soft bed. It's the moss. Yep, I found the moss. I'll put all the things back in my bag, and then it's time for you to play. You can take turns, or you can play all on your own. Have fun!